shovel with the black powder back in the 1800s. Very laborious.
1800 সালে হাত দিয়ে এগুলো সব বানানো হয়েছে, হাত দিয়ে, ওই যে শাবল দিয়ে আর ওই যে পিক দিয়ে। 1800s. They made it by hand in 1800s. They made this by hand in 1800s. They make the whole train line by hand in 1800s.
We've got some trees, but we'll be on a bridge. And if you look to the left, forward, you will see a big hole in the side of the cliff. And that is the old New Jersey Central Railroad tunnel that went through there and across the river to a little station that was there for people that were staying at Hotel Juanita.
I'm not